Hey guys, so I went to Bath and Body Works for their semi-annual sale, I think it is, and then I had to go to Hobby Lobby to return some things that I got for my sister's wedding that we didn't end up using, and I got a few things there as well after I returned that stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll show you what I got. Okay, so when I was returning at Hobby Lobby, I saw that a lot of their stuff was 50% off, like the home decor, anything that was like tabletop, wall decor, stuff like that. And so I picked this laundry bin up. I mean, you can really use this for a lot of different things, but it is originally $35, and so I paid half off for that. And then the other thing that I got is this really cute sign right here. And so the adventure begins. I thought it was really nice. Right now, under my bed, I have blessed, but I thought that maybe this under there would be cute. Yeah, so we'll see. Oh, and the sign was also 50% off of $17. So I didn't spend much at all. All right, so now is the time where I will show you guys what I got from Bath and Body Works. When I go to Bath and Body, I usually go for the hand soaps and the candles, typically the larger 3-wick candles. So when those are on sale a few times a year, I really go nuts. And I try my hardest to wait until the soaps are like on a really good sale when I get them, but like sometimes I can't resist myself. But so heavy. Okay, so I'll go through with the soaps. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 hand soaps. And so let's see. 3 of them are like the gel or luxe, and then 3 are the gentle foaming hand soaps. So the first one is the White Barn edition of Crisp Morning Air, and this one just literally smells exactly what it says. It's great. I love that their stuff is made with essential oils now too. I don't know how long they've been doing that, but I know that back in the day I don't remember them doing that. So correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah. So that's the first one I got. And then one of my favorite scents, even the candle, anything like that, is the Cactus Blossom one. And I thought that this design was really cool for one of the bottles. And then I'm obsessed with their marshmallow pumpkin stuff, especially their marshmallow pumpkin latte. So I got one of those, and it literally just smells like marshmallow covered pumpkin pie, so I can't complain with that. I love pumpkin. The other 3, one of these, I think this is the only one that's the Creamy Luxe hand soap, but I got it in warm vanilla sugar, and it has this beautiful like shimmer to it on the inside. I've never gotten it in this type before, but I'm sure that I'll like it. The foaming hand soaps are typically just like easier for the kids because they don't have to like stay under the water and try to get it out in between their fingers forever and stuff. I feel like there's just less water on my, countertop in the bathroom when it's the foaming hand soap. And then the 2 other ones are the gentle hand soaps, and I have Rose Water and Ivy and Champagne Toast. And these ones are my favorite scents as well. So especially Champagne Toast. For hand soaps and candles, I love these 2. They're just great, and they smell great for any time of the year, especially the Champagne Toast. That's like, you can never go wrong. So those are the soaps that I got, and then the candles, I got 4. So the first one is, of course, Rose Water and Ivy, and they had this new print, like the realistic ones. Sometimes they have those super bright ones that look like drawn flowers, but this one was nice. Oh, it just smells so good. It smells like a rose bush, really. I don't know, but like just so natural. I don't know. I love it. I don't know if I would say if it's like a super light or a super heavy rose smell, because I know a lot of people are like, they either love the smell of roses or they hate it, but like it's not a fake rose smell, like it smells like real roses. I'd say it's like a medium scent. So yeah. The next one I got is one that I haven't gotten before, but it's Island Margarita. And this one's not white like the other one. This one is the color of the outside. I think this is the first candle that I got like that. Oh, but it smells so good. It smells like pineapple, guava, nectarine, mango, all in one. Just like the best smoothie you've ever had in your life. And two more. So this other one I haven't bought before either. It's Crystal Waters. Ooh, it's light blue too. It smells like a Yankee candle that's so familiar to me. I want to say, I don't know. But it literally smells like if you stay at a hotel that's like on a beach or something, it smells like the hand soaps and body stuff and everything that's at like a beachy hotel. So if that means anything to anyone. And then the last one I got, I love the packaging on this one so much. And of course, because Cactus Blossom is my favorite scent ever, along with Champagne Toast, I got the White Barn edition of Cactus Blossom. And I just really like it. I love that it's like this galvanized type. How do I describe the scent of Cactus Blossom? Heaven. I don't know. It's so hard to like pinpoint what it smells like. It's such a unique light floral scent that possibly smells like it would be the perfect perfume to wear. Like if you like any of the Victoria's Secret perfumes and sprays, and if you like the Ariana Grande perfume. Oh wait, it smells so close to that. It does. The pink one. Hold on. This one. I have this one here. What is this? It doesn't even say. Nope. Doesn't even say. Yeah. But it smells really close to that, but more natural and a tiny bit more floral. It's not like super strong, but the reason why I really love these candles is because they last a good while. Like I have my candles burning for probably anywhere between like 3 to 6 hours a day. There's always one in my living room and in my kitchen, in the middle of both of those tables. And the rooms are next to each other. And so if I have two completely different scents, I'm in my living room and I can't smell the one that's in the kitchen. But when I'm in that doorway about to go into the room, I can smell like the change. So, and I'd say that it's about like, I guess like 6 to 8 feet away from the doorway in one room where the candle is, and then the one in the kitchen is more. And so I can smell it at the doorway. So I can smell it like probably 12 feet away. I can even smell it when I'm coming down my stairs, so even more than that. That's why I like them. They last a good while. They're made with essential oils, and they are just amazing. They're just amazing. I don't know. That's all I can really say. So yeah, that is what I got from the semi-annual sale in Bath and Body Works. Yeah. If you guys shop at Bath and Body, then comment down below what your favorite scents are, what your favorite products to buy from there are. I used to buy like the washes and stuff like that, and the lotions, but I don't anymore because I have extremely sensitive skin that just keeps getting more sensitive as time goes on, which really sucks. I swear having kids did it to me, but whatever. Yeah. So if you like this, and give it a thumbs up. If you want to comment down below your favorite stuff, I would love that. I really want like my comment area to be like this positive chat space, where everyone can just like share their favorites and share their opinions and stuff. Yeah. So like and subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified when I upload. Thanks for watching.